Kapag taga-Iceland ba, kapag kinasal ba dito sa Pinas, anong visa kaya ang kukunin? Or anong visa category? Type D ba or what? You can check sa embassy just to be sure, but since the same yan dito sa Norway, Norwegian embassy, then yung mag-aasikaso niyan because I already processed clients na going to Iceland, but visa yung sa kanila. Anyway, wala naman yung ibang klase. Kumbaga, if spouse visa, then it's spouse visa. Wala nang ibang option dyan. If yun yung intention mo, you're gonna move to Iceland. Pero, depende kasi yan, yung visa na kukunin mo, depende yan about your intention. Gusto mo mag-move or gusto mo lang mag-visit. If spouse visa, then long stay visa, you will gonna get spouse visa. Family reunification. Kumbaga, like, you're gonna be reunited with your husband. At if visit visa naman sa husband, then visit visa. Also, another tip, if it's the same here na pwede ka na kumuha ng visit visa tapos dun ka na mag-change ng visa category mo, then that's fine too. Again, for Schengen countries, it's fine to get married or change your status basta applicable siya. It's either you can get a visit visa and try to change your visa there, or you will gonna get a spouse visa. Have a good day. Good luck.